Wake up, baby. Today is your first day of school. Wake up, baby. Today is your first day of school.
I am a little nervous, Mama.
Don't worry, baby. You will be fine. Don't worry, baby. You will be fine.
Okay, Mama. I will try.
Let's wear your school uniform. Let's wear your school uniform.
It looks nice, Mama. It looks nice, Mama. Mama, do I look good? Mama, do I look good?
You look beautiful, my baby. Come, eat your breakfast. Come, eat your breakfast.
I am not very hungry. I am not very hungry.
You need energy for school. You need energy for school.
Okay, I will eat a little.
Let's pack your school bag. Let's pack your school bag.
I like my new bag. I like my new bag.
Good. Books, pencils, and lunchbox. Books, pencils, and lunchbox.
Everything is ready. Everything is ready.
Let's go to school now. Let's go to school now.
I am a bit scared. I am a bit scared.
Hold my hand, baby. Hold my hand, baby.
I feel safe with you. I feel safe with you. Mama, there are so many children. Mama, there are so many children.
Yes, you will make new friends. Yes, you will make new friends.
I feel shy. I feel shy.
That is okay, baby.
I feel shy.
Look, your teacher is here. Look, your teacher is here.
Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Say good morning properly. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear.
Mama, don't go. Mama, don't go.
I will come back soon. I will come back soon.
I am going inside. I am going inside.
Be brave, my baby. Be brave, my baby.
There are many kids here. There are many kids here. Hello, can we be friends? Yes, of course. Hello, can we be friends? Yes, of course. I feel better now. I feel better now. Let's sit together. Let's sit together.
Welcome to class. Welcome to class.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Let's begin our lesson. Open your books. Open your books.
Let's eat together. Let's eat together.
That sounds good. That sounds good.
This is fun. This is fun. I like this game. I like this game.
School is over.
Goodbye, teacher. Mama, I am here. Mama, I am here.
How was your day?
It was amazing. It was amazing. I am so happy.
I am so happy.
I made a new friend. I made a new friend.
That is wonderful. That is wonderful. Let's go home now.
Yes, Mama.
Let's go home now.
Yes, Mama. I love school now. I love school now.
Every day will be fun. Every day will be fun. I am proud of you. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.